I care what the tag gon' say. I done brought out a big bag today. I just pulled up with the mag today. I don't plan on going outside today. Pay what you owe, 80 your show. Close the curtain and smoking the ghost. Hop in the eye and lift up the door. Young rich nigga, more money than the old. Got your hoe at a condo, no clothes. Yeah, climb on a young nigga pole. Yeah, you don't wanna go there. Sticks in the Dracos in here. Got racks in the back of my pants. Got racks in the bachelor pad. These bitches they fuck for a bag. And you niggas gon' go outside. Bad Mona Lisa. Bad. Slide with my people. Pink slip for the ride. But what's in the trunk, it's illegal. Came from dimes. No cosign. You can read between the lines like a pro skater. Did my own grind. What's the price? Prices going up. Prices. Hold on. Going up. Yeah. I slide. Going up. Hold on. Price.